Hey, we're gonna unbox Okinos case fans. Thought I was gonna get for my new computer. So yeah, here it is. Here's the box. Blank, nothing. So yeah, like and subscribe. Links in the description below to get this. So let's see. Looks like 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here are the cables. I'll have another video of after I install these. It's gonna take a while to install. So yeah. Let's see, here's one case fan, and there's others. Okay, so yeah, let's see. I don't even have lights for this, or plug it in. Looks like this is the power supply to connect to this one. Okay, and this one is for the RGB controller. Here's the back. There's the fan. DC 12 volt, LED 5 volt. There it is, and it is white. Is that even centered? Yep, that's centered. That's cool. That's centered, and it looks like there is some rubber padding right there on all 8 corners. Looks like the screw goes there. Make that clean. Let's take a look at the other stuff. And then here's the RGB controller. I wonder if there's instructions in there. Nope. So here's the box for something. Let's take a look. Looks like screw mounts. 5 of them. 5 screw mounts. That's it. Here's the RGB controller. Here's the controller. Looks like, yeah, on off, something sync, Q1, Q2, auto fan, LED. I'm gonna have to plug it in and figure out what these things do. And then here is, I think there's a power supply. Looks like a power supply for this. So let's see, this goes plugged in here. This is LD1, fan. So you would have to plug into fan. There's a lot of those. That's crazy. Oh, no. Oh, okay. So these would just be the other fans, which is 4-prong? Or do you have to actually plug in the fan too? Oh my gosh, you have to plug in the fan too? Plug in the fan and... Am I doing this right? Yeah, plug in the fan and... You're kidding me. And the RGB. Okay, got it. Is there instructions? I'll have to look. Let's see if I can even take this off. Fudge. Okay, so here it is. This looks like LED speed, mode, fan speed. Then here's the power. Looks like power supply to that. I think. I'm not sure. I'll have to look. And it looks like data, reset, LEDs, 6 of them. Fan, 6 of them, and looks like it comes with a sticky, and it's Velcro. So you stick it on there, and then you Velcro it on, and you can take it off and on. Looks like this one's red. So yeah, let's see if there's instructions or something. Nope, just 4 other fans. So yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe. See you guys.